What's up, Ada Nation? Welcome to Dapp Central, your home for everything blockchain and crypto. I'm your host here, Fareed. Breaking news: the official confirmation of the Chain hard fork is in. As a part of today's video, I want to highlight exactly what we know and exactly what we can expect with the first portion of two parts of the biggest upgrade coming to Cardano, bringing full-on governance. Without any further ado, we've got the Chain hard fork upgrade #1 date confirmed. This was posted earlier by the official Intersect MBOX account. Make sure to follow them if you're not already doing so, stating the hard fork working group has reached consensus and agreed to upgrade mainnet on September 1st of 2024. If you missed the news, it was supposed to be on August 27th, and we're supposed to get the official go or no go, I believe, on August 23rd. But the group basically came to the consensus or conclusion that a lot of the centralized exchanges were not yet ready. So therefore, they want to give them a little bit more time, rolling things over into the next epoch. Now, if you're not aware, September 1st will be epoch number 547 officially kicking off at 2100 UTC. And that's basically it, right? So at epoch's boundary, as soon as that epoch begins, will officially be Chain ready on the Cardano mainnet. So let's quickly review exactly where we stand. We've got pretty big exchanges officially getting across the finish line. That, of course, includes big names like Binance. So looking at stake pool readiness, that's been pretty good for over the last 2 or so epochs, with 92% of the liquidity officially ready. And then this year on the left-hand side, pretty big news here. Over the course of the last 24 to 48 hours, we've seen Binance, Coinbase, some of the biggest names here officially completing the upgrade. So we now have 72% of all centralized exchanges equaling 92% of the liquidity, which basically means that from the two biggest parties, SPOs and centralized exchanges, we are officially ready to go when it comes to Chain. So big news here in the Cardano ecosystem. Quickly taking a look at who's already ready. Again, we've got Binance, Binance US, Bitfinex, etc. And if I scroll down, we've got Coinbase here, Crypto.com or the Crow token, Gate.io, Kraken, I mean, you name it, they are all ready. In terms of who's in progress, let's see here. We still have Bitbank, Bitstamp, Coinstore, etc. And then let's see who hasn't actually started yet. So not started. Quite a few small exchanges. So looking at the liquidity percentage here, I mean, nothing crazy. So at this point, it looks like everybody is basically ready. Now, for you, if you want to maybe find out more about some of the ongoing constitutional workshops taking place around the globe, you can check out this official Constitution Luma page here, breaking down all the different locations and all the different time zones that are associated with when the actual constitutional workshops will be taking place. If I'm not mistaken, this will walk you through understanding all the different roles. So the DREPs, understanding the ICC or the Constitutional Committee, understanding the roles of a traditional ADA holder, and then also even breaking down all the different types of votes that will be available, right? So discussing the vote of no confidence, discussing treasury withdrawals, informational proposals, as well as parameter changes, which different parties can actually vote for, right? So depending on whether you're a DREP, SPO, or just a traditional ADA holder, you'll have varying responsibilities when it comes to governance. So again, if you want to find out more about those workshops, make sure to check these out. They are taking place literally all around the globe between now and the next, I want to say, month to month and a half. Now, if you want to find out more about governance, it is time to finally jump into GovTools. So this is the one-stop shop platform when it comes to registering your wallet, registering as a DREP, and then everything from actually reviewing governance actions to voting will take place on this one centralized platform or on this one central platform. Now, if you want to find out more and just in terms about how to go, through the actual process of reviewing governance actions, signing up to be a DREP, the different types of votes or prerequisites that are required of you in order to join governance, this is the one-stop shop platform that you definitely want to go and check out. I'll leave the link to it down below as always, but this has been a platform that I've definitely been checking out here just to make sure that I'm ready well ahead of a Chain. Now, that said, I did speak about the Dapp Central stake pool in my prior updates, but the pool has been upgraded. So just want to take a moment to say thank you to all the delegators that have been so supportive along my mission here. We've officially crossed over 44 million ADA. We're just about to cross over 45 million ADA. I mean, I remember day #1 with little to no delegation, and to now have over 1,400 delegators. That means so much to me here. Hopefully you guys have been finding a lot of the content in the interviews here to be helpful. And as time goes on, I hope to be able to provide you guys with even more value, right? And even more information here as I become a better content creator. So I think that'll do it here for today's video. Again, just a brief reminder that there are 2 parts to Chain. Do not forget that this is only Chain hard fork portion number 1, which basically bootstraps the entire governance platform and the governance ecosystem. And then we'll have a follow-up upgrade, also known as Chain upgrade number 2, which will officially unlock Cardano's treasury and allow for anybody who holds ADA to propose a governance action. That will do it here for today's brief update. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Again, if you found this to be helpful or informational, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I cannot thank you enough. If it's your first time stopping by and you want more, consider subscribing. And last but not least, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave those down below. That said, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, everybody.